Ma'am, ganahan ko mahimong pareho nimo nga successful flight attendant. Secret nimo, ma'am. I tell you what, pag-apply na ko sa Cathay Pacific, I already have a daughter. I was a single mom. And during that time, ang mga madawat sa Cebu, thousands of applicants, very few are chosen, no? Very few are accepted. Siguro out of 1,000, nalay mga 5, 10, so kay sudlon. But ako, persistent kay ko. Nga naman di ay ko na kay anak, don't you deserve a job na pagka-flight stewardess? So, i-apply din ko. And turns out, I was successful. And after joining Cathay Pacific, no, the anti-discrimination law was passed in Hong Kong, so they cannot discriminate you on the basis kung naaba kay anak or what. So, maayo lang yun na nimpusigir ko and I tried to get in. So, do not give up. Whatever your situation in life, if that's your dream, go for it.